Did you know Japan's most famous rice crackers started with leftover rice 730 years ago? Today, we're in Niigata's rice cracker kingdom, where they're letting randos like us loose with fire and soy sauce paint. Our nephews love these rice crackers, so let's see if we can make something that doesn't taste like gas. Niigata is Japan's rice capital. It pumps out 60% of the country's rice crackers. This factory, Kuriyama Beika, makes bakayuke. You know, those banana-shaped crackers you see everywhere in Japan?
For those of you who know what senbei is, it's like a toasted rice cracker.
After going in, you can choose if you want to participate in making your own rice cracker or if you want to be an observer. If you're participating, they give you a choice of shape for your senbei. But if you're cheap like Ian, who isn't participating, they'll gift you a bag of tasty, sweet honey bakayuke.
So Jenny's gonna make one. What are you gonna make? A large one?
Senbei in the heart shape.
So you're gonna make it in the large 25 centimeter shape, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There's no large. It's just one.
One size?
Either you make and you grill the senbei yourself, or the other one is you have pre-made senbeis and they just put flavoring on.
The kids are pumped.
While we waited for the senbei making to start, we tried some of the samples and watched the pros who were working mass producing them. Finally, it was go time. They gave us a tray with our heart-shaped senbei, some soy sauce, tongs, and a brush. The first step was grilling. You hold your senbei high above the grill to toast it until you reach the perfect crispy golden brown color. The senbei guy told us that if you don't toast it just right, it gets messed up. Too light, chewy mess. Too dark, tastes like charcoal.
You're not in the same height at all, honey. Get with the program.
After the cracker reaches the desired light gold color, you head to the painting area where you get to draw the graphic on your senbei. You only get 5 minutes, so I had to scramble to think of something to draw.
Now it looks like we're going to the drawing area.
I think you don't need to
Look at these other ones people have made.
Yeah.
Some of them are pretty good drawings. Look at this one, it's so adorable.
Oh, look, and that kurami.
Yeah, you have to choose a design.
Yeah. Let me do this.
So they provided some illustration sounds.
Your design is really light when you first draw it, but it really starts to pop once you get it back on the grill.
So after painting it, you got toasted again. Jenny's a little bit slow.
When you're flipping it on the grill, you gotta be careful because the senbei can be quite fragile. So you wanna make sure it doesn't break as you're grilling it.
So it's looking good now, eh? The color's getting in. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Right? Look at Jenny's sweat.
It's hard work making senbei.
Yeah, it's hard work, right? Oh. Oh, it looks like it's a cooling machine.
So now we're finished and we're just cooling the final piece.
It looks amazing. Oh, you did a good job, honey. You did it without breaking. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Oh, here comes Edwin.
After cooling, they package your senbei and you're done.
So she's finished. So this is the finished product, right?
As a bonus, they give you a sample of rice crackers with your choice of flavoring.
Looks like it's all of them. What's up?
Choice of flavors include yuzu, mentaiko mayo, cheese, shrimp, and seaweed salt. You could even mix and match seasonings if you wanted to.
So Jenny put mentaiko mayo, and cheese flavor combined, and now she shakes it. Pretty good experience.
Yeah.
Right? Look at the final product. Oh. Our logo. Jenny's a talented illustrator. She got mentaiko senbei. Right?
You did such a good job on that.
Look at the logo. And I got, as a viewer, I got a packet of this.
Overall, this was a fun learning experience. It was great to see how one of Japan's most popular snacks gets made, and also fun for the kids as well. We would rate this experience 3 out of 5, but our nephews would probably rate it 4 out of 5. As usual, all addresses and details are listed below.
So this is a Senbei making factory in Niigata. If you have kids, it looks like a pretty fun experience, so give it a shot.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps us make more content like this. Thanks for watching. Chung out!